Welcome to our channel. If you're seeing a black screen while trying to watch content on Amazon Prime Video, don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix it instantly. Step 1. Refresh or restart the app. Sometimes a simple refresh can solve the issue. If you're using a browser, press F5 or reload the page. On mobile or smart TV, close the app completely and reopen it. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause the screen to go black. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data network. You can try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Step 3. Update the app or browser. Outdated versions of the Prime Video app or your web browser might cause playback issues. On mobile, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. On PC, ensure your browser, Chrome, Firefox, etc. is updated to the latest version. Step 4. Disable hardware acceleration for PC users. If you're watching on a browser and seeing a black screen, hardware acceleration might be the cause. In Chrome, go to Settings and System and toggle off Use hardware acceleration when available. Restart the browser and try again. Step 5. Clear cache and cookies. Corrupted cache data can lead to playback errors. On your browser, go to Settings and Privacy and Security. Clear browsing data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Restart your browser after clearing. Step 6. Try a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue might be specific to the browser or device you're using. Try logging into Prime Video on a different browser or switch to another device like a smartphone, smart TV, or tablet. Step 7. Check for system updates. Outdated operating systems can also cause app malfunctions. On your PC or phone, check for software updates and install any available updates. Restart your device afterward. Step 8. Disable VPN or ad blockers. VPNs and some ad blockers may interfere with streaming services. Try disabling any VPN or proxy server you are using. Temporarily turn off any ad blocking extensions or software and refresh Prime Video. Step 9. Reinstall the app, mobile, smart TV. If all else fails, uninstalling and reinstalling the Prime Video app may help. Delete the app from your device. Re-download it from the official App Store. Log back in and check if the black screen issue is resolved. If none of these steps work, it might be a temporary server-side issue. You can check Amazon Prime Video's service status online or contact their customer support for further help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech fixes and tutorials. ChatGPT Azure